Hey everybody, welcome back. It is time, it's December 1st. It is time to put on the pretty nails. So I got 2 boxes of each one, but we're only going to open one box because we are going to make our own designs. So we've got red, it's like the farmhouse one. And I'm gonna dump those out, and I automatically take out all the teeny tiny ones because I don't use the teeny tiny ones. My nail beds are too big, so I automatically take those out. And I'm gonna flip them over because I want to see the design. So it looks like the design, this is the part I want to use, is only on the first finger, my first finger. So we will put that out first. Now I got all my nails off, they've been off. And I actually don't have any of those stupid hangnails. I mean, they're all dry as crap, but they're not too horribly bad. So I've got my first finger. I could either do first finger, what size is it? It's a 4. It's too big for the pinky finger, but I got small ones for the pinky finger. And so I could use it on the pinky finger instead, but I think I'm going to do it on that one. And the red, I'm going to use on my thumb. So take the biggest ones out for that one. Okay, and I'm going to set these other red ones aside. So I got my pinky, my first finger. Now we're going to use the white and the pretty one. Now these pretty ones I'm going to put on this finger because that finger is the one that doesn't usually come off. So I'm going to figure out which one that is because I'm hoping that it's one of the designed ones fit. So let's see. I don't know why they make them on the teeny tiniest ones, and the rest of these are clear, like clear. So I may have to use a pinky one. I may have to put that on my pinky, which I don't want to do. So yep. Okay, move these ones out of the way. And then I can switch it out if these ones fall off. I really wanted to put it on this one, but it doesn't fit my nail bed. It's too, well, I guess it can, but I'm gonna use this one for my pinky. And I'll save these ones for when those ones come off. Okay, so now we have the white. Okay, so, and I'll end up having to, like this first batch, I can replace like one time. So, like if my red thumbnail comes off, I can replace it with a white one. So, okay, so we need a big size is that? 1. That's too big. Okay, we need a size 2. Let's see. That one's too big. Size 2. Okay, and this one is size 1. Okay. size 2. Size 2. Okay. Size 2 is going to be the middle finger. So, and then, okay. So I've got solid red, the farmhouse looking one for this red, the farmhouse one, white. I still need this one, and then I've got the decorative one for the pinky. Okay, so I'll put that away. So I could do another red, or I could do it, I don't want 2 whites together. And I could do a clear. Now let's see what the clear one looks like. Clear, and I think I need a 3. See, that's the clear, and I'm not sure if I want to do that. How's that gonna look? See, I think it looks stupid. I mean, I can use it if I have to. I don't want to. I think I'm gonna do the red. Okay. I need a 3. Nope. A 2. I need a 2. Okay, so that looks good. Let me turn the camera around so you can see it. Let me turn it so you can see it. See? So, thumb, first finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky. So, I'll show you what I'm gonna do. You can't see them now, but let me put this up on something. All right, you can see it a little bit. I'm going to set all of these ones aside over here, so if I have to use them again when something falls off, I have not, I call it sanding. I haven't filed any of these yet, so I'm going to do that now real quick with you. And I filed them the other day, so and I'm excited for these ones. They're so pretty. And you can mix them up, so if they fall off, you can change them around. So you can, like the farmhouse one, you can, because I have smaller ones, I can put on my pinky and change up the other ones. Okay, all done. I'm not a nail tech people, so you do you, and you're supposed to clean off with alcohol after you file them, and just to get the dust off. So I'll do that now. There. Now you gotta wait for them to dry. And okay, we are ready. I think I need a new glue though, because that one's almost empty. I'm going to take one out. I need to buy another one. That one's full. So, all right, let's put the pinky on. this one on. And I'm going to put a little extra glue on. It's like, I don't know, you can kind of see it in there. Just so that because these are clear and you don't want any bubbles. So I will put a little extra in the bed of the pinky ones. See? No bubbles. And I suspect these are going to fall off. And I think underneath is just some silver. So either way, it's still pretty, you know. But if it falls off, it falls off. I do a lot of stuff, but they're pretty for a little while. They're pretty and this way really doesn't take a lot of time, guys. If I wasn't talking and stuff, I'd already be done. The longest it's taken me this time is to figure out how I'm going to design them, because I'm designing my own. I'm not using just the red. But even if you liked like this one, use all of them, you know, or vice versa. But I wanted to mix it up, so I wanted white, red, and that little pretty gold and silver one. And I got my napkin right here to wipe off the sides. So there's those two. I'm doing one hand so I can show you what that looks like, and then I'm gonna pause, do the other hand, and then I'll come back and show you what they look like together. Okay. Make sure you push your cuticles back when you do this, when you do these. And there's, see, so pretty. Now let's do the pretty one. Okay. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. Look how pretty those are. See how pretty? I'm like, oh, those are gorgeous. I used to be partial to red when I was a little kid. It was my favorite color. My favorite color now, even though everybody says it's not a color, is black. And I like pink, but I really do like red, and I like yellow, I like white. Not a huge fan of like fuchsia, purple. I like dark purple, you know, not like really light lavender, but that little deeper purple I really, really like. I think I bought a fingernail polish in it because I really liked it. I got a lavender one, but I'm not a fan, but I really like the dark purple. Okay, that one went on a little crooked, but that's okay. There's the thumb. See? Aren't they pretty? See, I didn't want to put too much white, because this one and this one, I could have picked up another pack of a different color. Maybe, I know, silver glitter, or to mix this up, I have gold glitter, and I have a white, silver glitter that I can add, like either to the tip of this or through the whole thing. And I would probably do it to the thumb, because this one, I want one of them plain. Which one would I do? This is gold and silver. So maybe I'll do silver on one hand and gold on the other one. So let's see. Looks like it's almost, let's see what the tip looks like. That's the tip. Oh, that's kind of pretty, right? That's what I'll do, is I'll just do the tip. Okay, so there's the gold. And then silver, and then I'll do the gold one on this thumb. Okay, I'm gonna glue these other ones on, and I will be right back. Okay, I got them done. Here they are. Here is the gold side, silver side. There they go. So that's what they look like. They're so pretty. They're gorgeous. They are gorgeous. I love them. So, yeah, so think out of the box. Look at the Nails by Kiss if you just want to do these kind and not go to the salon. Even if you go to the salon, you can take this or take a picture and say, hey, I want that, you know? So, and they can do that for you. So there they are for December. Now they'll probably switch up through the month depending on what one falls off. But it'll be a little, like these might turn white. But that's why I bought 2 boxes of each one. So if I wanted to do it again, I could open up the other boxes. So yeah, there they go. I hope you enjoyed. It was fun, fun, fun. I'm all set now. Got to get used to them because they've been off for a while. And the next thing I do is I will put some oil on the cuticles. And where my hands are so dry, I probably should do this like a couple of times a day, but I don't. I'd usually do it the one time I put the nails on, when I have to put them on. That's usually when I do it. And this is the one I've got. And I got it at Family Dollar. This one smells like peaches. And I do have, like if I didn't want to put nails on, I have a calcium one. And rapid dry, if I painted them, I could put that over these so they dry quicker. And then I have a clear coat. Now I will put the clear coat on. And this is a gel clear coat. So it'll be strong. So I'll put that on. There. Real easy. So just do your oil. And we are finished. That's why when people take pictures of their nails when they look kind of greasy looking, it's because they've put oil on them. Okay, all done. Hope you enjoyed. We will see you next month for January's, and I have no idea what I'm going to do for January. I'll probably just do French tip. And usually I only decorate them like Halloween, Christmas, 4th of July. There's red, so if I don't ever use this other one again, I can save it for July. I don't like green, so maybe I'll do like a gold something, maybe get these again for St. Patrick's Day. April will probably be French tip again. May will probably be French tip. You know, you can switch it up and have one decorative one. You know, they got May's blue for Mother's Day, so they had these ones like this, but in a blue. It was really pretty. So maybe I'll start thinking about that and picking up some pretty ones. So anyway, there we go. All done. We will see you next time. Bye now.